This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to trade options on Thinkorswim Mobile, easy method. First, open Thinkorswim Mobile and sign in, then enable real-time data. Next, tap the Trade tab and search your symbol. Review the options chain and choose the expiration and strike that match your plan. Confirm your buying power and set up order type, quantity, and price. Finally, swipe to submit and monitor position in the Monitor tab. To pick the right option, start by clarifying whether you want to buy calls or puts depending on direction. Then choose an expiration that fits your time frame and comfort with time decay. Look at strikes that offer the probability and payoff you want. Tighter strikes increase delta and cost. Use the Greeks to assess risk and expected movement, and consider starting small to gain experience with order placement and fills on mobile. When placing an order, tap the option you want to trade to open the order ticket and review details carefully. Choose limit or market depending on your urgency and set quantity, then check estimated fees and margin impact. Use advanced order settings for OCO or bracket exits if you want automated risk management. Finally, swipe to submit and verify the fill in the Monitor tab, adjusting exits as the trade evolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.